So the rest of 9.5 is creating equations off of given information. So it says write an equation of the hyperbola with the foci at negative 4, 0, and 4, 0, and the vertices at negative 3, 0, and 3, 0. Now, let's talk about this. What do I know about vertices and foci?
I don't know.
Vertices and foci tell me which direction my graph is going to
Go.
face. So
Yeah.
if it's going up or down or left and right, yes?
Well, isn't it going left and right?
Why is it going left and right, Jason?
Because it's an X.
Because it's in the X,
box.
X is where the number is, okay, where the not zero part is,
Mhm.
okay? So what is my A in this case?
4.
Plus or minus 1.
No.
Wait, 6.
6.
Oh, wait, it's plus or minus 3.
Plus or minus 3. Your A goes with your vertices. So it's plus or minus 3. And my foci is what, B or C?
C.
C. So my C is plus or minus 4. So in order to create an equation, you told me that this is a, on the horizontal axis, right?
Yeah.
So it should be x squared over something minus y squared over something equals 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know what x squared is over?
Plus or minus 3. Well, it wouldn't be 9.
It would be 9. Do you know what y squared is over?
No.
No, because I don't have my b. How do I find my b?
You use Pythagorean theorem.
Pythagorean theorem. So 3 squared plus b squared equals 4 squared, right? What is 3 squared?
9.
What is 4 squared?
16.
Subtract 9 from both sides, right?
7.
And b squared equals 7. Do I need to take the square root of that? What goes here, b or b squared?
B squared.
B squared. So do I have to take the
Oh,
square
no.
root of that? No, just
Just
plug it
7.
in. There's the equation of that hyperbola.
That's how we're doing it?
That's all we're doing.
That's it?
Now, tell me about this one. What axis is this on? That's the first question you always need to ask yourself. What axis is that one on?
Y.
So it should have a y or an x leading.
Y.
A y leading, so it should be y squared over something minus x squared over something equals 1. What is your A?
36. Wait, plus or minus 6.
Yeah, A is plus or minus 6. Which means I can plug 36 in here, right? Okay, what is my, do I have my B?
No.
What's my C?
Minus 10.
Okay, so then to find my B, I do 6
That.
squared plus B squared equals 10 squared. What's 6 squared?
36.
And what is 10 squared?
100.
And what is 100 minus 36?
64, which is a. Oh wait, no, you can go. You would say 50.
Good. Do not make that mistake. People make this mistake more than any mistake. They'll take the square root of that and plug it in here. Okay? Don't make that mistake. Okay?
So we're basically doing the opposite. Or
Wait,
just-
why don't,
Or like, yeah.
We're writing it.
wait,
Yeah.
Separate.
Yep, Astrid.
no, I see.
So yeah.
Okay, let's do one more.
I have
It's not, and I know it's not, so it's fine. The home will be, I like that. That's fine. Examples are never, because they're not the same.
It is the same. Vertices are negative 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, tell me on this. What am I doing?
Actually, I'm finding the axis. Or,
Okay, what's the axes that it's on?
X,
Okay, so x squared over something minus y squared over something equals 1. Okay, what's my A?
is plus or minus
Good, A is plus or minus 1. Which means what goes down here?
1.
One.
well, it's just one.
Just 1.
It's just 1. Okay, we'll talk about that in a second. What's my C?
Plus or minus.
So then I have 1 squared plus b squared equals 3 squared, yes?
Yes.
So then b squared equals 8, correct?
Yeah.
So I plug that here. Now listen, when you get something like this with a 1 in the denominator spot, they're going to write their answer simply like this.
Because this is one.
Because when it's 1, it doesn't mean
Yeah.
anything. Okay? So don't get confused by that because that's what it,
Wait, so can you?
you can put the 1 underneath. Just remember that if you do that, your answer's not wrong. They're just not showing the 1 underneath.
So does it matter, so do you care what we do?
I don't care what you do, but recognize that.
Alright.
Okay? So that's what we're looking at. Now, let's talk about a word problem and then we will be done.
Yeah, I told you.
Why'd you gotta say it, Jason?
Actually,
You just had to say it, didn't
let me think about this. Actually, I don't wanna talk about it because it's really simple. It's not hard.
Oh, you are wrong.
Okay, let's
What?
do some problems.
you? Bless.
Do some meetings, you're not talking